Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Looking for a way to break free from the traditional work model and be your own boss? Well, you're in luck. In 2023, there are plenty of online business opportunities waiting for you to seize them. Let's talk about digital marketing today. Watch complete video to get the exact idea. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of digital marketing and start earning as a beginner? It may seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, you can build a successful career in this fast-paced industry. First things first, it's essential to learn the basics of digital marketing. From social media marketing to email marketing, there are numerous components that make up a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. But don't worry, there are plenty of resources available online to help you get started and gain a solid foundation of knowledge. As you begin to build your digital marketing skills, it's important to start building a portfolio. You can offer your services to friends or family members, or even create your own website or social media channels to showcase your work. Your portfolio will help demonstrate your skills and expertise to potential clients. When it comes to digital marketing, choosing a niche can be a game changer. By specializing in a specific area, such as social media marketing for small businesses or email marketing for e-commerce businesses, you can become an expert in that area and attract clients who are specifically looking for your skills. Networking is also key in the digital marketing industry. Attending industry events, joining online communities, and connecting with other digital marketers can help you learn from their experiences and build valuable relationships. Finally, starting to freelance is a great way to start earning as a beginner in digital marketing. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to showcase your skills and bid on projects that match your expertise. As you gain more experience and build your portfolio, you can start charging higher rates and expanding your client base. In conclusion, digital marketing can be an exciting and rewarding career path for beginners. With the right mindset, dedication, and hard work, you can turn your passion for digital marketing into a profitable career in 2023. Best of luck for your journey. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us to get more updates on digital marketing and other online businesses. Connect, signing off.